little cracked. Let's see if we can get his brother installed. Let's see. So right here, what I'm doing is getting the key lined up in there, the half moon key. About to slide it on. With the half moon keys here, you gotta kind of make sure they're tilted a little bit, so when you slide the hub on, it catches the lower half of it and slides right. That'll be tight forever if it gets stripped out. So this is the side that broke last time, so I'm guessing this gets slightly more torque. So this is the one that didn't break, and we'll either still weld that other one together, maybe we'll order a new one from eBay, but who knows. Get this guy somewhat cleaned up and then put this tire back on this side, and it's halfway fixed because that key on both sides got destroyed. Now this thing was stored outside the entire time before by the previous owner, so it's sitting out here and getting rained on. It's nothing for it. We put it in the garage most of the time. Spoil it some after being outside probably for, who knows, 20 years, 30 years. Okay, I'll get the impact really quick. All tightened up and spinning smooth. So on to the other side, the next video.